Hello friends, my name is Vinay. This video will be very useful for you if you want to learn Italian language as you go to Italy for abroad study or you want to watch Italian movies. So you need to install our app which is named as Mondly Italian Learning. Learn Italian, and the company name is ATI Studios. So you have to install and open this app. I already installed. So friends, this is the app. So in this app there are lots of lessons for you like that. For example, this is the hello, core vocabularies, families, countries. These are the different topics which you can learn by using this app. In every topic like family, there are 6 lessons and 2 other things which is conversation and vocabularies. So I just open a lesson.
La madre.
So friend, there are using lots of illustrations. Just you see the photo and you will be understand then what is the word is stand for. Like the mother is for this, because here we can see that a mother and she has a baby, so this will be mother.
Il padre.
Father. So father, this is the father.
Il figlio.
So like that you will definitely understand very easily.
Lo.
Sentence making lessons also here.
Questo è mio nonno.
So friends, like this you will be able to learn how the sentence is formed. So friends, like this is the sentence structure. So you will be definitely understand how the sentence is formed. So like that, if you click the word like this, you will the word. We have to Cristo use here. If you use double underline, then it is a helping verb which can be varying in every sentences, but the other words are fixed. Like my is fixed. So for my you have to use mio always, but is definitely changing. But you listen what is the sentence in Italian by clicking here.
Questo è mio nonno.
Questo è mio nonno. So you can check here. Continue.
Buonasera.
So this will definitely useful. So we ended the lesson, and when you completed the 6th lesson, the 7th will be conversation. So you can practice of conversation here. Like
Raccontami della tua famiglia. Raccontami della tua famiglia.
Raccontami della tua famiglia. So it is correct. So here a symbol of green, right? So you have to just tap on this arrow.
Vengo da una famiglia grande.
So you have the second sentence which you already completed in the last 6th lesson. Here is the practice sentences. So just close this, and last is the vocabulary.
Famiglia.
So by this you can practice whatever you learn in last 6 chapters. So we just close this, and there is a statistics. Record of learning, then how words I learned. So it is a leaderboard where you can see that how much learning by different people. Like a person Jagjit Kaur learning from 284 days, he have a score of 3133. So friends, here is a score system. If you complete a lesson, then you get 12 points. in 3 stars. If you complete in 3 star, then you get 12 points. If you complete in 2 star, you can get 11 points. In 1 star, 10 points. So you can compete with others. So friends, this is a very wonderful app. If you want to learn Italian language, I recommended you. Here is 7-day demo, so you can test is it useful or not for you. After that, you have to shop this. You pay 599 rupees for 1 year, and 1 year is sufficient for a single language learning. But friends, here is a very good news for you. If you buy Italian language, then you also get free for 32 language additionally, which is Bengali, French, German, English, Urdu, and different international language which are mostly speaking in the world. So it is a very big deal, very good deal if you want to purchase this app in 599 rupees. So friends, this is for the today's video. If you like the video, please thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, then please comment me. I will definitely answer you.